I can't come up with a list of reasons of why not. There's only yes. This is a real thing that people do, like body painters and makeup artists. They like camouflage themselves into things. But when I do it, it's like funny and I'm losing my mind for some reason. I disagree. I'm just trying to be a creative lady, okay? Like what the hell, man? I wonder what Jenna Marbles is up to these days. Why is it funny if I do it? But like if a makeup artist does it, they're like, wow, this is spectacular. They deserve an award. Why can't I try stuff without like people thinking I'm nuts? Is that the way that I'm saying it? Is that But we're not just gonna do my face, okay? Larissa, I'm gonna one-up you. We're gonna do my whole ass head. And then I hope I can just like lay a blanket over me and I'll be the chair. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my hair out of the way.
Timer, 10 years.
Julian. Stop! No, we already have one going for 84 years and he just stopped setting timers for years in advance. Are you gonna like it? I just need to know if you're gonna like it.
What does that mean? Like, am I gonna find it attractive? Am
Yeah.
I gonna want to be around it?
Yeah, are you gonna want to
both.
be around it?
Probably no to both.
You know what? You need to open your mind a little. Stop being so judgy.
I think you need to close your mind a little.
By the way, I think that the color of my hair is really pretty. Do you? So you agree it's like really pretty.
When you're not positive, someone's gonna compliment you, so you guide them into it.
No.
Hold on, honey, you need a touch up.
Can't breathe.
And action, touch up.
Makeup artist that doesn't know what action means.
And action. Okay, honey, let's get right up here.
I don't have any like bobby pins.
That's Robert pins to you.
A little one's a bobby pin and a big one is a Robert
You address
pin.
him in the form of that Robert pin. Okay. I'll hold it for you.
Oh, bitch, what the I was thinking of possibly just leaving the earpieces on because I'm just gonna be a chair, so like I don't need ears.
Yeah, you don't need ears. Leave
Oh, I
them
should
on.
take my necklace off. That actually looks so good on you. Fuck. Get back here and show them. Oh my fucking god, bitch. But I'm not gonna be able to hear, so if I'm shouting,
So it'll be just like normal when you.
bitch, can achieve it. Boogie woogie woogie. I feel like that's good, right?
Who is this bald beach?
Smash or pass?
Honestly, smash. No, pass. Pass.
Hit you.
Smash.
Now that we know what I would look like as the bald person, which is fabulous as hell, I did pencil in my eyebrows and put some mascara on, and I'm gonna take that off so I can glue them down. The real me has come out. Because my plan is to make my whole face and head white so then I can put the blue over it. And I hope that that works because there is no plan B. You know what I'm saying? Stop it. How's that look?
Oh my god, you look shocked.
I'm actually like debating cutting myself a little ear hole because I like really can't hear. Just like right here.
Yeah, I'll make sure not to stab you right in the middle
No,
of the ear.
please.
Here? Show the camera. Show the camera what this fucking looks like, dude.
I don't have anything to like blend this edge, so I hope you guys appreciate the effect I'm going for without being a stickler for detail. Why did you just say that?
I didn't say anything. You can't hear me.
Yes, I can, bitch. I'm sorry, you look bored. Why?
Don't look at me directly, please. Don't do that. Oh, there she is. Hi, Sophia.
Hello? That's loud. You're gonna have to help me with some of my head.
Do you want me to do some of the head?
Yeah, go ahead.
Shine bright like a diamond.
That's not helpful! Ow, fuck, you almost knocked my jaw off. I look like a hot bald ghost. Imagine me waking you up in your dreams being like, boo, bitch. Maybe I should try and put some yellow on. Is that a better color?
Yeah, that's definitely more accurate for the couch.
Oh, you know who I look like in the face? Data.
You do look like Data.
I think maybe some powder is gonna help. Am I supposed to use a brush for this or? What are you laughing about? I feel like this doesn't look good at all. I don't look like a chair. Oh, that's not too bad.
Doesn't believe my feedback until she sees it for herself.
So I'm gonna have to draw the lines. We're gonna have to pick a specific spot to be in. I have to pee first, honestly.
Yeah, you gotta
So I'm going to be using Julian's phone. It's gonna go up to like my eyebrow right? Yeah, I need the mirror a little bit. Does that look right? And then the line needs to go down to my neck, right?
Yeah, to like the bottom of your chin.
Uh-oh, what have I done? How's that? A for effort?
Yeah, good. And you're gonna go a little more up. Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the right angle?
Yeah, I think so. You're doing great. That's a perfect angle. Wow, that was nice. That's honestly so good.
Is this up a little higher?
Maybe a little bit, yeah. Damn, that shit was crazy. You did that though.
Wait, but then there's one little peak up here still, right? Like one little, and then that's all blue.
Yeah, you did a really good job.
Did I though?
You did. You did it like it's fucking hard as fuck because your face is curved and the design is flat.
Well, how am I looking so far?
You look like an X-Men that didn't quite make it.
I really do look like an X-Men that hasn't quite made it. I'm gonna use my spatula and my colors here to try and create a beautiful navy blue on my hand. Alright, so I've mixed to the best of my ability a batch of color that I think should be maybe okay. So here we go. How am I looking?
You look almost like a chair.
Tell me I look like the Cheerio Dream.
I want to sit on it.
Oh, I look like an X-Men. Julian might adjust the white balance for me in post here so that it looks a little better. You a true magician, boy. Mix up a bunch of color, beach. Hopefully that's enough to last through the rest of my face. It's so weird just like sitting in this position for this long. Are you bored yet? When Bae is bored of you being a chair. I'm just a chair. Out here living my best life. I am a chair. Hey ladies.
Yeah.
I
Hey,
am a
fellas.
chair.
Yeah. Hey ladies.
Yeah.
We're the fellas. What the fuck are we doing?
I'm just out here being an adult. Like, fuck. Jenna, what do you want to be when you grow up? A fucking chair, bitch. I want to be a chair. If you're having trouble deciding what you want to do in your future, just show this to like your guidance counselor and be like, listen, bitch, okay, you said I could be anything. I wanted to be a chair. This is very difficult.
Okay, the illusion's starting to come together.
Is it?
Yeah.
What illusion? I am a chair. Halloween is quaking right now. Can you imagine going to like a Halloween party, be like, what the fuck are you? Be like, I'm a living room chair. I'm not gonna lie, I look hot. What else do I need to do?
Nothing. Put the mirror down.
Wait, is that it? My eyes are starting to hurt. So you think if we like cover me in a blanket, I'll look like a chair?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a blanket right
I can't see what I look like. Do I look like a chair?
now. Close your eyes.
Hey bitch, it's me, your chair.
Oh my god.
What? Do I look like a chair?
Yeah, you look like
Did
a
I
chair.
do it?
You did it. You did. You came
Yeah! What?
close. This is so fucking weird.
Right now I'm in a state of mind. That's Ariana Grande as a chair. Thank you.
Take a seat, beach.
Come sit on me, B.
It looks so good.
Can I see what it looks like?
You did such a good fucking job.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Can I see what it looks like? Oh, I look beautiful.
I don't know where that noise is coming from.
I'm hidden. Y'all bitches can't even spell chair. When people be making conversations you want no part of, get called for jury duty. Nowhere to be found, bitch. If he licks my face, I swear to God. Ow! Oh! Ah! Oh, I'm a delicate chair. Oh, he likes the chair. Does it look funnier with my eyes closed or my eyes open?
Close them. It looks funnier. Well, both, because when you open it, it looks derpy. You did a fucking good job. That shit was hard as hell.
Yeah, it was really hard. The hardest part was like drawing the lines and figuring out where it was gonna be.
You don't know the answer, but the teacher makes eye contact with you.
Y'all can't even see me, beach.
When someone talks shit on Twitter to someone and then they respond back.
I mean, some people think that I'm crazy, okay? I'm just out here trying to have a good time. Like, what's your problem?
When you smile, it's so fucking derpy.
Good times in Tanacon when people are like, where are we from?
My God. Hey, Chair, what should I do with this channel? Should I subscribe?
Yeah, you can subscribe if you want to, or just like violently smash that unsubscribe. What's the matter? You don't like chairs? Everybody likes chairs. Well, this was this. Larissa, I hope that you're happy. Thank you for tweeting this at me. I actually had a wonderful time. Country boy, I love you. Wow.
Oh my God. Like, it's weird because you move to the left a little bit and you just look insane. Like, you look fucking nuts over here. And then you go right here. And then all of a sudden you're a chair. Wow. Incredible, Jenna.
Subscribe!
What the fuck?
If you think I'm taking this off, you're dead.
What the fuck?
Come on, let's go make dinner.
No!
Come on.
Oh, leave me alone.
Coming for your chair, beach. Ain't nobody's chair safe, beach.
Oh my God.
Tell me to stay away. Come love me.
This is my nightmare. Send help to me.
Oh!
Oh my God. Stop it right now.
Tag you it. Sorry.